All right, for the girls to try the wheel and axle, a lot of times, I mean, obviously a wheel is helpful for moving things, but a wheel and axle has a lot more use than just putting wheels on stuff to move them. And that is to take a small diameter and a big diameter and make them rotate at the same time. So I have an example. If all we had was this was our screwdriver, okay, and we're trying to get this screw screwed in, I can try all I want, and I just need way too much force on this tiny little diameter here to get that screw to move. I'm not strong enough to do it. A strong person could do that, but I'm not strong enough. Versus here, I have a big blue wheel and this little axle. So my little axle here, this thing, is just the same as this thing, okay? It's not as long, but it's the exact same shape pretty much otherwise. But it's the axle on a big wheel. And now if we take this whole thing and we put that axle on the screw head, and then we push down, and you have to hold this in place, so that's what these clamps are for. And now I can turn this whole wheel, and you see how I am strong enough to do that. It's not even that hard, but I couldn't do it when I was trying to turn it on a smaller diameter. So that's another way. So in examples of this would be doorknobs or screwdrivers, which is where I got this idea from. This is just a really big screwdriver handle. And this is a screwdriver without its handle. Maybe I'll send the handle in as well. Here's the handle that goes with this screwdriver. It's still going to be harder, but it won't, I might be able to budge it with this. I can move it easily with this. I can't move it at all with just this.